Hello guys, it's me Ucho. So today I just ordered a new tasty treat burger. So let's see how it is actually. Look at this, it's pretty good actually, but they never put some look at this. There is no মুরগি নাই কত মজা It's pretty good actually. But it needs to add more murgi. This side is it's yummy. I'm gonna rate out this 10 out of, I think 7 would be better. If I put 7, it's better. Because look at this. এখানে মুরগি ঢাললে নেই, একটু জায়গায় মুরগি আছে, একটু জায়গাটা মুরগি নেই। একটা সস দিয়ে, একটা সস না মানে মরিচ দিয়ে দিছে। এটা খাইলে হ্যাঁ আমি ড্রাগন হয়ে যাব আর আগুন বের করব। মাংসগুলো না একটা ফুল প্যাটি দিতে পারতো না, একটা নিচে দোকান আছে সেটাও আমি রিভিউ করব। তারা অ্যাটলিস্ট বেশি মাংস দেয় এখান থেকে। এটা তো একটু পড়েও গেছে। মজা। My sister would eat this one. I will eat it. না মুরগিটা একটু ক্রিস্পি না, বা একটু কাঁচা কাঁচা মনে। আমার ফার্স্ট মিশন এখানে এই মরিচটা সরানো। এটা মরিচ না অ্যাকচুয়ালি, এটা একটু ক্যাপসিকাম, but I hate capsicum. You're probably thinking that I'm Shinchan. I will bite from this one. But this sauce is not as much as the better নিচেরটা, আর নিচের প্রিন্স বার্গারটা সসটা আরো অনেক গুণা ভালো। তারা যেন অনেক করে আল্লাহ আরে কিরকম ভাবে ধরো। A full burger. Look at this. It looks like what it's called, I forgot. But I will eat definitely this one. Now I change my rating. It will be 5 actually. I will give it a medium. Let me eat. To be honest, it's a medium rating. What should I order next? Tell me down in the comments. Should I eat this one? It is my mummy's. Whatever. But the sauce is better, but not as much as the Prince burger. I'm not saying that the sauce is terrible. It not. First of all, this chicken looks not crispy, and it's not even crispy. Second of all, the buns are not that much wide. I know it looks like big in the camera, but it's small. I just done my burger. Wait a minute. So I take a bite from my mother's burger. What should I order next? Tell me down in the comments. I should probably do the Prince burger. Guys, should I eat this? I hate capsicum. If you subscribe, I will eat this. Let me see if you have subscribed. Oh, you subscribed. Thank you. Now I'm going to eat it. Yuck. I can eat it. Sorry. Don't unsubscribe. It's terrible. I know the pain of Shinchan. Capsicum is so gross. To be honest, in the whole burger, I just like the sauce and nothing else, because the chicken was not so crispy, and the buns are not very wide. What a beautiful day. My life is so hard. I have so much work to do. Oh my god. Look, I'm a champion. I have completed 24 chapters in one day. It's very hard. Oh my. My sharpener fell down. Don't worry, I will pick it up. So what should I do in the next video? Tell me in the comments. So bye bye, take care, see you in the next video. So, another capsicum was in my mouth. So bye bye, take care. Bye bye. Boom.